Here we have a partner, Pioneer Partner 450. Has new crank seals. It's been ported and polished. Completely gone through. New crank bearings. And we did a lot of work to this. Did we put a?
It's had new rings put in it.
Mm-hmm.
Custom exhaust. It's chained in 3/8 and has an old school Johnson red bar on it. 3/8 60 drives. Brand new chain, and as you can see, it had no problem with that oak over there. 450 is a pretty rare one. I've only seen a couple of them, and it is a P450, as you can see. Needs a new home. Somebody give it a new home. Make somebody a great saw.